Cairo government. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The mode of the values 3, 7, 10, 4, 7, 3, 4, 3. It will be what? We have 3 repeating here 3 times. Then question number 1, the result will be 3. It's the mode. Question number 2. The number 3 over x minus 5 is rational number if x not equal to 5, because if we put x equal 5 in the numerator, the result in the numerator will be 0, and any number divided by 0 undefined, then x here not equal 5. Question number 3. If a over b equal 1, then twice a minus twice b equal what? A over b equal 1, then twice a minus twice b, it will be what? It will be equivalent. A over b 1, it's meaning a equivalent to b. Then twice a, it will be equal twice b. Then the difference between them, it will be 0. Question number 4. The coefficient of the algebraic term here, negative 4x power 3, it will be negative 4. Negative 4, we call this the coefficient. Question number 5. The algebraic term, okay, okay. Question 5, x plus 3 times x minus 3 equal x power 2 plus k. We want to find the value of k. X times x will be x power 2, and 3 times 3 equal 9. And write negative. Then k here will be equal negative 9. Then the value of k equal negative 9. Okay, it was question number 5. Last question here, question 6 says algebraic term for e power 2 p power 2 of the space degree. We have 2 plus 2 equal 4, then it will be 4th degree. Choose letter D. Question 6, 4th degree. We must add the power of e and b. If 2 plus 2 equal 4, then it will be 4th degree here. This degree is 4th. Question number 2. Complete the following. Arithmetic mean of the values. We can add all the values and divided the result by the number of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 numbers here. 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 30. 30 divided by 5, it will be 6. Question number here, number 1. You want to find the arithmetic means. Again, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 10 and 5, 5, 10. 20 divided by 5, 4. Okay. Question number 2. The order of the median of the values, it will be what? We can find the order by using counting the numbers. How many numbers here? 4, 12, 9, 8, 2. We have 2 and 4, 8, 9, 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 4 lies in the middle. We called it the median. We want to find the order of the median. The order of the median, it will be third, but the value, it will be 8. Okay, so the order of the median, we must write the third. We must write what? The third. The result here, it's the third. You want to find the order will be the third. Okay, question number 3. The number that lies at half between 8 over 13 and 12 over 13 equal what? We can find the number by 8 two numbers and the result divided by 2. First number 8 over 13 and second number 12 over 13, and then write half multiplication by 8 plus 12, it will be 20. 20 divided by 2, it will be 10. 10 over 13, we called it what? We called it the number lies between 8 over 13 and 12 over 13. Question number 4. 7 x power 3 y power 2 product by space equals 35 x power 4 y power 2. We can find this number by using division between two results. 35 divided by 7, it will be 5. X power 4 divided by x power 3, it will be x. Y power 2 divided by power 2, it will be 1. Then the result here, it will be 5x. Because 35 divided by 7, it will be 5. Question number 5. The remainder of subtracting negative 3y from 4y, it will be what? 4y, write the first. Here we called it the median. Subtract by negative 3y, we call this subtrahend. And then we can write negative 4y plus 3y. 4 plus 3 will be 7. The result will be 7y. It was question number 5. Question number 6. 3.5 product by what? Equal 1. Write 2 in the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 over 2 times 2 over 7, it will be 1. Then we write here 2 over 7. Next question number 3, letter A. Add 2x power 2 minus 5x plus 3 to this expression. 4x subtract x power 2 minus 2. We can add 2x power 2 with negative x power 2 and negative 5x with positive 4x and 3 with negative 2. 2x power 2 minus x power 2, it will be x power 2. Negative 5x plus 4x, it will be negative x. And 3 minus 2, it will be 1. Then the result will be x power 2 minus x plus 1. Using distribution properties to find the result. About question letter B, we have 27 over 16 product by 11 plus 27 over 16 times 7 subtract by 27 over 16 times 2. We use the here distributive properties, right? 27 over 16 product by 11 plus 7 minus 2. 27 over 16 times 11 plus 7 equals 18. 18 minus 2 equals 16. 16 divided 16, 1. 1 times 27, it will be 27. Question 4, letter A. Factorizing by identify a height factor between two numbers. We have 12 xy power 2 plus 18x power 2y. Subtract 6x power 2 y power 2. We can raise the height factor between two numbers. It will be what? 6 because 12 and 18 is 6. The height factor between them will be 6. And x was repeating, smallest x, y power 2, y power 2, then we can write here y. Then this expression will be equal, right, 6xy, and this expression divided 6xy, 12 divided by 6 equal to x power 2, x divided x1, y power 2 divided by y, it will be y, plus 18 divided by 6, it will be 3, x power 2 divided by x, it will be x, y divided by y equal 1. 6 divided by 6, 1, x power 2 divided by x, it will be x, y power 2 divided by y, it will be y. Then the result will be here, 6xy times 2y plus 3x minus xy. This question letter B, reduce x minus 3 power 2 minus x minus 3 multiplication by x plus 3. X power 2 and negative 3 times 2 times x will be negative 6x plus 3 power 2, 9, negative x plus 3 multiplication 2 terms and write negative outside. X times x will be x power 2, and 3 times 3 it will be 9. And then write x power 2 minus 6x plus 9, and using distribution properties, negative times x power 2, it will be negative x power 2, and negative times negative equal positive. And then x power 2 subtract by x power 2 using commutative and associative properties. Write negative 6x plus 9 and 9. We can cancel x power 2 by x power 2 here, and the remainder will be negative 6x, and 9 plus 9 it will be 18. The result will be negative 6x plus 18. Okay. Question 5, letter A. Find three rational numbers between 3 over 5 and 4. We can write the least common multiplication first step between two numbers 5 and 4. We call that relatively prime numbers. The least common multiplication between two numerators, it will be 20. And then we can write 1 over 5, write 20 in numerator, and write 4, write 20 in numerator. 4 times 5 equal 20, 4 times 1 equal 4, 4 times 5 equal 20, 1 times 5 equal 5. Then we have two fractions here. You want to find how many numbers? You want to find three rational numbers between two numbers here. So you must multiplication by 3, because you want to find two rational numbers, or 3, you want to find 3, then we must multiplication by 4. Numerator and numerator. 4 by 4 it will be 16, and 4 times 20 equal 80. It's first number, and 5 over 20 we can write here multiplication by 4, and here multiplication by 4. It will be 80, and 4 times 5 it will be 20. 20 over 80 and 16 over 80. We can count from 16 to 20, 17, 18, 19. We can write then the numbers will be 17 over 80 and 18 over 80. Can count from 16 to 20. Okay, we have 17. We want to find three numbers between okay, sorry, it was 3 over 5. Okay, I will complete this example, 17 over and 18 over 80. But in this example, he give us this number with 3. Okay, again, I solve this example again. We have 3 over 5, it's not 1, and 1 over 4. Then this multiplication, it will be 20. Okay, 4 times 5 20, 3 times 4 12, 4 times 5 20, 1 times 4 equal 4. Then the numbers we can count from 4 to 12. It will be 5 over 20, and 6 over 20, and 7 over 20. And we can sample 6 over 20 and 5 over 20. It will be 1 over 4, and 6 over 20 divided by 2, it will be 3 over 10, and write 7 over 20 here. We have three fractions here. Question letter B. Subtract 2x minus 5y plus z from 3x plus y minus 2z. Okay, we must write subtrahend and the minuend. Write the minuend first. 3x plus y minus 2z subtract by 2x minus 5y plus z. Write 3x plus y minus 2z negative 2x plus 5y negative z, using the inverse about all terms. And then write 3x negative 2x and y with 5y and negative z with negative 2z. Write negative 2z negative z. Then 3x minus 2x, it will be x, and y plus 5y, it will be 6y. Negative 2z minus z, it will be negative 3z. Okay, it's the last question. Understood?